Hey guys, it's Ian. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use automatic parking in vehicles that are equipped with this feature. First things first, one of the most important things you need to do to check if your vehicle is equipped with automatic parking is push the park distance control button next to your ignition button on the gear shift cluster. So you're going to push that down until it illuminates green, and you're going to look up at the screen, and if the screen has that icon on the top right that says automatic parking, your vehicle has that functionality and you are all set to go. Make sure that it is checked with the iDrive controller. If not, be sure to scroll up to that and activate it within the car. Once that is activated, we're going to put the vehicle into drive, and then we're actually going to start to drive past an open parking space. You'll notice that as I move past an open parking space, you have to be about 5 or 10 feet away from the white lines wherever you're parking. The vehicle will actually pick up that location and allow you to select it on the screen so it could park itself. So I will demonstrate that for you guys right now. I'm going to put the vehicle in drive again and start to move forward. When it identifies an open space, it will let me know on the screen. All right, it identified an open space. As you can see, it made a chime noise, and you can actually look and see the space it identified on the screen. So if you want to park parallel or perpendicular, that is your choice if the vehicle allows that. You're just going to select the space with your finger. It says parallel or perpendicular parking, and we're going to do perpendicular. To start parking, take your hands off the steering wheel and release the brake. So I'm going to release the brake. As you can see, the steering wheel starts to move by itself and park itself within these white lines. It's pretty cool. Using the cameras and sensors all around the vehicle to ensure that it doesn't hit anything and line itself up within the space. As you can see, my hands are not touching the steering wheel at all. The vehicle is doing all of this work by itself. And there you go, puts itself in park, and that is how you successfully complete an automatic parking in a vehicle that is equipped with this functionality.